today I'm going to show you my very fast, kind of fresh looking skin, glowy makeup with a few of my really probably top most used products. I start with the moisturizing on my skin because I have a pretty dry skin, so I do like to use a lot of moisturizing products prior my makeup. So usually what I start with is a NARS Skin Action Hydration Toner. In the mornings I do like to use my eye treatment by ELEMIS. It's really great because it has a lot of collagen in, and it kind of really helps to wake up your eyes. One of my discoveries of 2019 was a Pro-Collagen Marine cream by the brand ELEMIS. I am completely in love with it. It is so perfect. It really kind of gives that feeling of complete moisture, as well as it works amazingly as a base for makeup. I use just a little bit and tap it around my face. Prior to my foundation, I always use BOBBI Breakout, especially when I get breakouts. It's perfect because it kind of targets your spots while you're wearing makeup. I love BOBBI BROWN. It has a great coverage. It's very light. It doesn't dry my skin. And when I put something on it, it kind of stays, it doesn't dry out. For the eyeshadow, I like to use a primer by Decay. It is really great. It makes your eyeshadow stay and not smudge throughout the whole day and all night. For my eyeshadows, I really like nudes and I really like just one tone. But I'm gonna show you a little secret that you cannot tell anyone. So I use NARS. The name is Sofiya, just like me, and it's literally the perfect color. So my little secret for a fresher look is also Decay eyeshadow. It's called Cosmic. It is incredible. Especially, I love to put it when I do an eyeliner. Beautiful. So now I'm using Casino by NARS. This is a blush. I really like to define my cheekbones, which are kind of there, but they're kind of hard. Now I'm gonna use my favorite highlighter with my favorite brush from Sephora. This is Life, guys. Can you guys see the magic is happening? Now I'm gonna use a little bit of a blush, which I have recently discovered how to do it properly. Now we're gonna do a little bit of eyebrows. Just a little bit, and obviously Benefit is the best. Now I'm gonna do mascara, and mascara is literally the best. I'm an absolute fan of mascara. I think it's a completely must-have in any girl's makeup bag. Especially I like to use really dark black colors. So the only two mascaras that I found like a really dark, like kind of charcoal-ish black was GIORGIO ARMANI, which I'm using right now, and Chanel. Incredible. This one is called Classico. It's to kill #1. Ooh, yeah. Now I'm gonna fix my eyebrows, because they like to go all over the place. I use this gel, fixing gel, from I think the Blink. And my favorite, Charlotte. Oh my god. Literally the best. This is a very, very Victoria. You know the perk of having this is every time you put it on, so like the more levels you do, the darker it gets. So now the most important thing is moisturizing. I always moisturize because I know that my skin gets really dry. So I use fresh rose floral water. Rose floral water. And voila, we're ready. And we're so glowy, and it's so simple. Anybody can do it.